Hi gamers! I have an exciting news for you guys. Introducing the Nubia Neo 3 GT, because you're born to win. The high-speed shoulder trigger gives you instant precision so that you'll never miss a shot. Games control simplified. Actions more fluid than ever. And with customizable trigger function, you play your way.
Come at me if you're not afraid to die.
The Nubia Neo 3 GT 5G embodies the cyber mecha heritage with sharp lines, dynamic lighting effects, and futuristic what that we gamers love. It's a 6.8-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and high resolution for smooth and crystal clear visuals. Not enough storage for your games? No worries. The Nubia Neo 3 GT 5G comes with a massive 256 GB of storage. It can handle all your favorite games and apps without breaking a sweat. Powered by the T9100 5G gaming processor and supported by the 24GB dynamic RAM, the Nubia Neo 3 GT 5G provides a top-tier gaming performance with no lag and overheating. With a 6000 mAh battery and 80W supercharging, you can play all day without worrying running out of power. Capture your everyday life and gaming moments with the Nubia Neo 3 GT 5G's Innovation AI photography system. Every shot is stunning and vivid. Shake it twice and the flashlight turns on. The Nubia Neo 3 GT 5G makes your life easier. With the dual shoulder triggers and AI Game Space 3.0, the Nubia Neo 3 GT 5G brings you an immersive and interactive gaming experience. Looking for peak gaming performance? The Nubia Neo 3 GT 5G reigns supreme with its T9100 gaming processor and 80W supercharging. With a more budget-friendly option, the Neo 3 5G still delivers an immersive experience. With the T8300 and 33W fast charging, choose your fighter. Oh my god, I've been gaming for 2 hours and my phone is still not hot at all. The Nubia Neo 3 GT features a multi-layer of heat dissipation system, utilizing high-performance thermal copper graphite composite with an area up to 3720mm². Ready to dominate the gaming world? Get your hands on the Nubia Neo 3 series now and experience the future of mobile gaming.